Good morning, students. In previous class, I have already discussed definite integral as an area. Okay. Now today, I will solve few sums, important sums. Okay. Suppose two parabola is given. So this is y square equal to 4x, and another is there. Suppose this part. So x square equal to 4y. How to solve the common region? This one, see, this is the common region, common part. So all of you know this is x-axis, this is y-axis is there. Okay. First find out. First, you have to solve these two equations. Point of intersection. First find out. See, y is equal to 4x and x is equal to 4y. One common point you will get easily. So 0, 0 is point. This point is there, 0, 0. Another is there. Look, another point. So here, this point. Now you have to solve. See, x square 4y. From here you can do x equal to y square by 4. Okay. Now you write here, that is y to the power 4 by 16 equal to 4y. So here yq equal to 64. So y equal to 4. If y equal to 4, here x equal to 16 by 4. So here x equal to also 4. Now this point 4, 4. Okay. See, 4, 4. Now you have to find out area. So you have to do here either x-axis or y-axis, your choice, no problem. Okay, anyhow you can do, no problem is there. Suppose I am finding here one perpendicular to first. Okay, so this point obviously you know, so 4, 0. Okay, now the area of the shaded part. Okay, so you can write area of the shaded part means, so first to 0 to 4. See, area of the shaded part. So this part, no. So you can do 0 to 4. See, 0 to 4 along x-axis, so now y dx. So this part, this y means you are taking this curve, the curve, this one, that is y square equal to 4x curve we are taking. Okay, minus similarly 0 to 4 y dx. So this y means here this curve, taking x square equal to 4y. Okay, if we subtract, so from here see, we are getting this equation first, here this part, minus this white part we are taking, this part. Okay, this part we are taking, down part, this part. If we subtract, you will get easily, you will get this part. Understood? Now, so 0 to 4 y square, y dx is given. So write here y square 4x. So you can write here 2 root x dx. Okay, 2 root x dx minus 0 to 4. Here y means x square by 4 dx. X square by 4 dx. Now all of you know integration. Yes. So this part will be 2 x to the power half. X to the power half. Okay. Half plus 1 by half plus 1. 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So it will be 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. into minus here x is cube by 3, this is 12. So both here this also 0 to 4 and this part also 0 to 4. Okay, now 4 by 3, this by 4 by 3, 4 to the power 3, 2, that is 2 square, that is 8 minus 64 by 12. I remember 0 is here 0, so don't do. So here 32 by 3 minus 16 by 3. Okay, 16 by 3. So here 16 by 3. This is the answer. Area, unit square. Okay. Here 64. Here that is 12. 16 by 3 is like that. This one. So first find out this curve minus this one. You will get. Similar way, if we do so 0 to here, this curve like that also you can do. If you do this part minus this one, same answer will get. And area should be positive. If any negative sign is there, so you will do positive is there. Always it will be positive. Okay. Now next one. Suppose, see, find the area of the area above the x-axis bounded by the line. One line is given. Suppose x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. This line is given. The equation of straight line, and bounded by the line and x equal to 3 and x equal to 4 is given. Okay. Find the area above the x-axis. See, x-axis, y-axis. Okay. First you do the line. X minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. See here, x minus 2y, you can do minus 4. So x by minus 4 plus y by 2 equal to 1 is there, no? So minus 4, 2 is given. So if you write this is suppose minus 4, considering this is 0 and 2, here suppose 2, 0 comma 2. So this line, see, this line, okay, x equal to 3, x equal to 4 is given. The positive sign, no, here suppose x equal to 3 line is there, and there suppose x equal to 4 line is there. So you do only this part. So here this point means this 3 comma 0, and this is 4 comma 0. Okay. So write integration 3 to 4 y dx. So here 3 to 4, the value of y, from here you get y. So that is x plus 4 by 2 dx. Okay. Now all of the integration. How to do? Integration. So here half take outside, that is x square by 2 plus 4x. Here 3 to 4. Now half 16 by 2 plus 16 minus 9 by 2 plus 12. Okay. Now half 16 by 2 here 9 minus 9 by 2, 7 by 2 here plus 4. Okay, now will be half into 15 by 2, that is 15 by 4 unit square. This is the area. This part area will be 15 by 4 unit square. Okay, again suppose y square equal to 8x given, see this one, y square equal to 8x and y equal to x above positive direction of x axis. See, y equal to x is given. This line, suppose y equal to x is given and the curve y is equal to 8x. Find that this is area, positive side of x axis, now this one positive. This part find out area. Similarly, first find out point this 0 0 and find out this area, this point. So you put here y equal to x, so x square equal to 8x, then x equal to 8. If x equal to 8, then y also 8, no? 64, y equal to 8, positive side. So this point is 8, 8. Now find out, this is 8, 0. Okay, 8, 0. Now 0 to 8, see, look at here, from 0 to 8, this curve, that is parabola, and 0 to 8, the straight line y equal to x which passes through the origin, y equal to x. So write record area, that area of the shaded part, area, shaded part. So here integration 0 to 8 y dx. So y right means here taking y equal to 8x curve minus you take 0 to 8 also. Okay, 0 to 8 y dx. So y equal to, right, taking x, that is y equal to x, the line. Now say put the value of y here, y square 8x is given, no? So right, 0 to 8, that is the value of y 2 root 2 root x dx. Okay, minus 0 to 8 y x dx. Now 2 root 2 constant outside take, so x half 3 by 2 or 2 by 3, here 0 to 8 minus x square by 2, 0 to 8. Okay, so you'll get, this is 4 root 2 by 3, it's 8 to put, 8 to cube, 8 root 8, that is 2 root 2. Okay, 8 to the power 3 by 2, that is 8 root 8. So 8 root 8 into 2 root 2, 0 cancel 0, minus 64 by 2. So it will be 32. So here 64 into 2, that is 64 into both 64 2 by 3 minus 32, 128 minus 96 by 2, that is 30, sorry, this is 3, 32 by 3. Okay, this is the area. Next one, Suppose some very important sums are there. Again, see, suppose here circle is given. Circle is given. Okay. Then one curve is there. This curve is given. So find the area of this part. How to find? Here circle equation is given. So x square plus y square equal to a square. And the parabola equation is given. So x square equal to 4ay given. First find out point of intersection these two. Okay, point of intersection. So here you put here (4ay) plus y square equal to a square. Okay. Now y square plus 4ay minus a square will be 0. So right here y square plus 4ay plus, right, 4a square. You can write this is 5a square, you can write now. So this part will be y plus 2a whole square equal to 5a square. So y plus 2a equal to plus minus root 5a. So y equal to minus 2a plus minus root 5a. Okay. So x square is given. From here, so x square, we are taking positive sign only. That is 4ay. So 4a, the value of y take root 5a minus 2a. It's complicated, no? Achha, see. Here, suppose x square plus y square equal to given. Wait. A is given though. So from here you will get x square is there. So you get x equal to, right, just I am explaining this part, add 2 root a root under root 5a minus 2a. So you will get here the plus minus. So right here negative sign, that's a negative value, this is positive value you take first. Suppose you are considering this value, suppose x1 comma 0. Okay, this is minus x1, this is minus x1. Okay. So minus, this will be suppose minus x1 comma 0. We are considering this part. Okay. Now see, just I am solving how to solve this part. See, first find out area. So minus x1 to plus x1, this curve, equation circle part, this part. So y dx, that is x square plus y square equal to a square, this part, minus x1 to x1 y dx, this is down part, this part, this curve. Okay. So here x is equal to 4ay. Now from here y equal to, all of you know, minus x1 to x1, that is root under a square minus x square dx, minus here minus x1 to x1. So here y value is x square by 4a dx. So all of you know this value, the integration root under a square minus x square. So x root a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Okay, sin inverse x by a here minus x1 2. Actually, listen one thing. This function no, even function no. So we can write no this part 2 into 0 to x1 you can write also. 2 into 0 to x1 root under a square minus x square dx also. No problem, you can write. Here also this means all of you know, so minus a to plus a f of x dx. If this is even function, then will be the value 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, you can apply also. Otherwise you put the value, no problem, you will get the result. Minus x square by 3, that is 12a, also minus x1 to x1. I'll apply simplify, you will get the result. Okay. So I am taking this general process. Okay. If the equation suppose x square plus y square equal to suppose 16, and here x square equal to 4y, you have to try at home this one. Okay. Okay. Again next day we will discuss. No more today. All of you practice at home. Whatever discuss now. Okay. Okay. Bye.